Hello guys, welcome back. We're going to be looking at a practical demonstration now of the experience section.
So let's look at some examples here then on the job experience section. We look at the green section here. We have some examples. These are the bad examples, and down below in the blue, these are the good examples. So let's get straight into it. Look at number one, and you can compare it with the good example. It says worked in a lot of departments, not really showing what you achieved in saying that. However, in comparison, if you look at the good example here, you can see it's different. Worked in 5 different engineering departments and responsible for a team of 10 aircraft mechanics in each department. So this is quite an achievement in itself, right? You're illustrating what you have achieved, such as you're giving a number, you worked in 5 different departments, and you're responsible for a team of 10 aircraft mechanics, right? So this is an achievement that you are demonstrating to that person reading your CV rather than just saying worked in a lot of departments, right? Let's move on to number two then. Work day and night shifts. Once again, you're not showing what you achieved. You're just listing your duty. Comparison you can see here in a good example, work various shifts day and night in a leadership capacity, ensuring the smooth running of operations, ensuring minimal interruption of service, and saving the company $1 million a year due to efficient and timely repairs. So all of this is an achievement. Rather than just saying you work day and night shifts, you're showing what you achieved. Okay, such as you worked in a leadership capacity, you made sure the operations ran very smoothly without having major interruptions of service, and because of that, the company saved, $1 million each year. All right, because you ensure the efficient and timely uh, repairs were done on aircraft. So this is all an achievement which you are demonstrating to that person reading your CV rather than just saying work day and night shifts. Let's move on to the last one. Managed a big team. Okay, managed a big team. Once again, you're not showing what you achieved. However, in comparison, contrast, we look at the good example, progress from team leader to senior supervisor, leading a team of 100 aircraft mechanics. So you are showing how you progress here, what you achieve from starting from a team leader, moving up to senior supervisor. You're giving a number of how many people you managed as well, which is an achievement in itself. So therefore, you can see the differences between those examples there.